Hi guys, long time no see. So, this is a quick disclaimer before the video gets started. My camera got stolen when I was on my 21st birthday trip. So, I literally just got my camera back. I got my camera back yesterday. She's right here. That's why my birthday content is coming out a little late. My birthday was March 31st. It is May 6th. Yeah, May 6th. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Disclaimer, like I said, my camera got stolen, so my SD card, everything like that was with my camera. So all my birthday related content is coming out late. We're talking about birthday photo shoot prep. We're talking about this video that y'all are about to see. We're talking about my 21st birthday vlog. Everything is coming out late due to that. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Bye.
Why wait around for somebody to get a gift for you when you can get the gift yourself? It's my birthday month.
Let's go.
Let me see that hoe. Shake that ass like you out of control. That thing till your throat gets sore.
You are now listening to DJ Irresistible.
So, my birthday is March 31st. Today is March 7th, and it's currently 9:45 right now. I impulsively booked an appointment to get tatted.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
Side note.
Yeah, boy.
I'm not a tattoo girly, but I booked an appointment to get more piercings. You know, I don't know what I'm gonna get. I just know I want to get 4. It's my birthday month. Why not? Why wait around for somebody to get a gift for you when you can get the gift yourself? I'm going to be buying everything that I want and that I've been putting aside. I don't really spend money like that for, like, I just been building up, saving up, which is good. I gotta treat myself. Let me treat myself. Like, hopefully I don't get out of hand. But it's my birthday month. Right now, if y'all don't know, on this ear, my right ear, I have my first earlobe piercing, my second earlobe piercing, and then my third one. And then I have, like, I don't even know what you call this, but I think I have like something on my helix. I don't really know. I wanted an industrial, but I was told that I didn't have an anatomy for it, the person that I went to. And this year I just have my hidden helix first lobe piercing, and then my second one. And then if y'all don't know, I also have my belly button, and I have, and all my piercings is all from one person. But I'm going to a new person today, which I'm really excited about, but then also nervous because I never got a keloid before. The girl is pierced up, but I want more piercings for my ear. My ear is not to its capacity yet. Like, you know, yeah, it's not to, I want my ear to be junked out with jewelry. I mean, I'm talking about, oh wait, how did I forget? Oh, I'm all over the place. I also got nose piercings too, y'all. So I got this stud, and then I got my horseshoe. I love my horseshoe so much. I think it was the best decision ever for me to change this stud, because it used to be a stud. It was the best decision ever to change this to a horseshoe. For real. Like, I love it. It's better than a hoop, in my opinion. Hey, to each his own, okay? But I just don't know what I'm gonna get done. Like, honestly, y'all, I really don't know what piercing is what. I showed her my inspo. Yeah, so my appointment is at 11:30. It's 9:50. I thought it was an hour away from me, the shop that I was going to, but it's only like 25 minutes. So I woke up mad early for nothing. I woke up at like 8 a.m. And that's early to me on a Saturday because I usually wake up at like 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. If you're not already, make sure you are subscribed. For real. Make sure you're subscribed, okay? Make sure you like this video. And the video already started, so I'm not going to say let's get this video started. But y'all get the gist, okay? Alright. Hey y'all, so I made it to my appointment. Currently 11:19. We're gonna be walking in there in a couple of minutes. Hopefully I can record me getting what I need to get done. I'm gonna put my hair up in a ponytail now. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Let me turn my car off. So it might be an ugly ponytail because y'all know, like, I have my perm rod fro, so it might be an ugly ponytail. Originally I was gonna put my hair in a head wrap. It's actually not even bad. It's actually pretty cute a little. It's actually pretty cute, this little ponytail. What would you say? What would be the pain rate for the tragus piercing?
Easy.
Easy?
It's really not anything crazy.
Okay.
It's more of a pressure than anything else.
Oh, okay.
So, you got it. I love it. I love it. Ready to jump right into those upper cartilages?
Yep, ready.
Okay. You got it, girlfriend. Here, Perla, please. Perfect. Yes. Amazing. You didn't even have to say anything.
I ain't got no problem spending all of my money trying to fix up. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing. Black card.
I love
Stunning. You are stunning.
Thank you.
Petite, glammy, gorgeous.
Do I just like spray it like my regular ones? Okay.
Yes. So we're gonna use a saline wound wash.
Okay.
I think I saw you added some today, so that way you can get some. Okay.
Okay.
You're gonna spray it twice a day, once in the morning, once at night.
Okay.
Always after your showers.
Okay.
Okay. Do not stress about the showers.
Okay.
Clean like normal.
Okay.
The piercings will have to get used to it anyway.
Okay.
And you're gonna clean off any extra residue when you're done.
Okay.
You can always spray directly on and then pat dry.
Okay.
Or you can spray and soak a Q-tip and let that Q-tip swab.
Okay.
Do not twist anything.
Do not twist,
Do
yeah.
not push anything.
Okay.
Just clean them twice a day. Take pictures of them.
Right.
Leave them alone.
Right.
And leave them in.
Right. Okay.
For 6 full months.
For all of them, 6 full months.
Tragus is 3.
3.
But you did do 3 all at the same time, so
Okay.
it might take a little longer just because
Okay.
your body's dividing a lot of the work.
Okay.
Okay, so 3 months at the soonest.
Okay.
If the length is driving you nuts and it's like sticking forward, I'll shorten it sooner.
Okay.
Or I'll shorten it at 3 months.
Okay.
But if it's still swollen, not bothering you at all, we'll wait until the full 6 and then we'll shorten altogether.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions? Any
No,
concerns?
that's all. Thank you.
You did amazing.
So
Thank you.
it's gonna be how much? She's cute. Is she cute? 3 piercings in one day, y'all. I never got 3 piercings in one day. And I got my tragus, y'all. This is too cute. Like my whole ear is like, Yup. You talking to me? Yup. I can't hear you. Oh, I can't hear you. What are you saying? Cute. Very cute. This ear is naked right now. But this ear don't really need to do much for real, because, well, it's gonna do much, obviously, but this hidden helix is what's saving this ear. So yeah. Currently brushing right now because I made another appointment to get my ears pierced. Like I said, I'm treating myself this whole month. It's my birthday month. I'm buying my own gifts, not waiting for anyone to get me anything. So yeah. My appointment is at 7:30. It's 7:10 right now, but I have to stop at the bank because I'm gonna get cash. I'm going to my regular guy, not the new person that I went to. I'm not gonna be able to record in his shop. I'm never like able to record in his shop, but I'm just getting my 3rd haul. When I get back home, we're gonna finish this up, this shopping process. There's some things that I've been eyeing to get and that I've purchased already, and I'm gonna show y'all. All done. All done. Look at her, she's so pretty. My 3rd haul. Yes, I think on this ear I'm gonna get a conch, but I'm done for right now because I have to let these heal. Okay, I got 4 new piercings in this video. That's just in one video, y'all. 4 new piercings. I never got that much in one. Like, I never got that much in like in 1 month. But on this ear, I think I'm gonna get a conch. Get my conch in this ear too. Okay, they're all cute, but I got this one done today. I'm gonna put all my earrings in later. And yeah, as you can see, I'm back home and we're gonna finish off my shopping. Okay, so as y'all saw, the first thing that I wanted to get myself for my 21st birthday was piercings. I feel like I did really good. I got 4 piercings in just one video. Tragus piercing and then my helix piercings are going very well. No irritation, no nothing. I don't want to jinx it, but you know, I always keep up with my cleaning and that stuff. The 3rd lobe on this ear just got done today, and I just got done cleaning it. As y'all see, I put all my earrings in so it can look cute or whatever. The next thing on my list, new wheel for my roller skates. And I actually purchased them last weekend. I got them yesterday. Let me show y'all. Yeah, I got me the Rollerbone wheels 101A. And then the size 57. I need to get earrings. So the next thing on my list that I want to get is bearings. I think that's what it's called. I know that's what I need for my skates. So that's what bones, bearings. Oh, let's see. Bestseller. I don't really know which ones to get. 8, 16 pack. Why are these the bestseller? I'm gonna get it off Amazon. What I'm gonna be getting is the Rollerbones bearings 8mm and a 16 pack. I have to look up like my roller skate size, axle, everything like that. And I have Amazon Prime, so it might be coming the next day. Then I'm also going to be getting the Bones Speed Cream, because when I was watching TikToks I saw people use that. I need more satin silk scrunchies. I don't know what happened to all of mine. They just lost somewhere, so I'm gonna get that now. I think that's all from Amazon, so I'm about to purchase my stuff. I'm gonna hit the button. So that is everything that I wanted as my gift for myself. I really wanted was to go on a trip and a birthday photo shoot, and that is all happening. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for my birthday content. Like, I'm turning 21. If y'all did not watch my recent videos of adulthood and me just showing y'all my natural hair journey, y'all should go watch that, because that is a part of my 21st birthday chapter. Y'all are literally growing up with me. So without further ado, if y'all did not share this video to one of your friends, to your family, share it. Make sure you also like this video too, and if you're not already, subscribe. You see how the vibe is over here. Subscribe. And I love y'all so much as always. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I see y'all in the next video.